Wow. We're right on the edge of this storm, guys. Right on the edge. Anytime now this storm is about to hit. This storm is coming straight at me here. That wind is really starting to pick up as well. Oh, look at this thing directly above us. The whole of Merseyside is going to get affected by this storm. You can see the winds are picking up rapidly around here. Okay. Incredible storm, guys. As you can see, the wind is really whipping up here. Look at the instability on this. This is incredible. Woo! Ah! Don't often see storms like this, guys. Be prepared if you're in the town of St Helens, Newton, Willows, Liverpool, Southport. Be prepared because this is gonna hit hard. Wow! CG lightning right there. I'm going to keep an eye on this storm for a couple more minutes. No rain here yet. We are right on the edge of this thing. We couldn't be closer if we wanted to be. Not and stay dry. This is amazing. Right, my friend has just left. I think he's a little bit worried. I don't blame him, to be honest. This is one nasty storm. That wind has now backed down a little bit, but we do have a second storm which is firing off straight behind me right here, so I'm being engulfed by this storm. The instability on this thing is incredible. Absolutely amazing to be out here and see this. Wow! Oh, that is just amazing to see. Absolutely amazing. Right, I'm just about getting hit by the rain shaft now, which is off to my south here. Wow! Look at that. Now the wind is now getting sucked into this storm. Switch direction again. It's an indicator that the storm is still brewing. It's still building.